welcome back to my channel. My name is Deandra. Thank you guys for stopping by and taking a look, taking a watch, taking a look, taking a I am trying out a few new products, which I'm super stoked about, super excited about, and they are the new items from the Dose of Colors collaboration with I Love Sarahii. I hope I'm not butchering that. I have been practicing, but yeah, I only picked up 2 items from the collection, which was highlighter, Bathe, and the eyeshadow palette, which are gorgeous, and I will insert some swatches and everything, that way you guys can see the colors and how they look. They're just super gorgeous. I wish I would have got my hands on some lippies, but they were all sold out. So this is what we're working with. I did come up with this just very soft, neutral, bronzy look. I don't know. The whole collection was just amazing, fire, gorgeous. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in getting this makeup look, then let's just jump right in. Stop rambling, and let's just jump right in. Don't forget to subscribe and like it and do all the good stuff. Don't forget. And leave some love down below. Like, come on. Don't be a hater. So if I'm sniffling through this whole video, or if my voice sounds a little raspy or a little bit like a grandpa or a man, I got a really bad cold, and I don't know where it came from. I got it yesterday or the day before that, and it's kind of just lingering. So yeah, but I knew I needed to film. I tried to film yesterday, but my energy was just completely down, and you could completely tell in the video that I just wasn't feeling well. And yeah, it's kind of like a head cold. That's what's going on. So Sarahii, Dose of Colors and Sarahii. I hope I don't butcher that. But yes, Dose of Colors and Sarahii. I don't know. These are the only 2 that I picked up. I really wanted some of her lippies, but they were all sold out at my current Ulta. Her whole collection was just fire, super bomb, so gorgeous. But these were the 2 that I picked up, with eyeshadow palette and a highlighter in Bathe or Bath? Bathe? Yeah, and I've already used both of these, and I just love them. I'm in love. I do really want to go back and get more of the collection, because holy, it's just good. It's just great. I know I didn't get most of the collection. Unfortunately, I don't. I just have the highlighter and the palette. So we're gonna work with it. I love the packaging of this. It's just so gorgeous. Palm trees, just absolutely love it. Super cute. And of course, what, you know, instantly just pops is this blue. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go for more just like a very soft everyday, because I do have places to go today, so I want my look to be pretty, you know, mellow. And then this is the highlighter, which I have been using, and guys, it's bomb. I love it. And this one has a mirror also, which I love. Going to place that kind of all over, but with a very light hand, not too crazy. And I'm kind of bringing that up into the crease and just doing circular motions. So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they not under me. I'm going to spray my face with Morphe Continuous Spray. I love that stuff, guys. And I just like to spray that pretty much all throughout my whole makeup routine. Which I love concealing because it just like cleans up the eyeshadow edges like nicely. I'm just gonna go in with my Laura Mercier. If I didn't talk before, I don't definitely know how to talk because like I'm on like some cold medicine and I would just put like yeah, whatever. See, I can't talk normally, so I know now that I'm like sick and gross, I definitely am not going to be able to talk. I'm just going to take my Laura Mercier powder. I'm just taking Finders Keepers and Poquito Mas, and I'm just applying that to the waterline and smoking that out. I'm going to take Sun Glow, which is that really, really pretty gold color. And I'm just applying Sun Glow right in that inner corner. And I'm just going to take my Milani No. 4 Glow. I've been using this ridiculously all the time. I truly apologize for like not having one of her lip glosses because like, or lipsticks or something, or lippy, because like I said, I really wanted to have like at least the eyes, a highlighter, and a lip to show you, but like I said, they were all sold out, so I'm sorry. So to finish the eyes, I'm just going to go put mascara on, and then I will be right back to show you guys her highlighter that she came out, which is dark. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I applied mascara, so that is done. But now to go in with the highlighter, because like highlighter is where it's at, because if you guys notice, my face is just kind of dull, kind of sad. So we need to brighten it up, make it brighter. So I picked up Bathe highlighter, which is super pretty. It's gorgeous. So I'm just going to apply that with my Morphe Y14 brush. Ooh, I didn't even really get a good. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Like, what the freak? But do you guys just see how gorgeous that highlighter is? Like, and I barely am like, it's gorgeous. And it just looks gorgeous. I don't know what else to say about it, but it's freaking gorgeous, guys. And you guys need it. I've been using this highlighter since I got it because it's just amazing. Just put some on my collarbones. You can't forget the collarbones. You just can't. I don't know, I'm so weird. This is why I have no friends. Okay. No, seriously though. True statement. And the highlighter is on a whole nother level. I love the highlighter. It's just, it's gorgeous. Like it makes a huge difference in the face, and I just love highlighter. I'm obsessed. Basically, did I like go too hard on the highlighter? I always do that. Like I'm like, I want to sparkle like a star, and then I'm like literally sparkling. I really love like a glowy light face. Does that make any sense?
And how you make me smile, and how you make me smile, oh yeah.
Let me know if you guys want me to do other looks, because I would definitely be more than willing to, because I really want to try out that blue color. Palma? They probably say it like in a very Spanish way, and I'm just not Spanish. I'm probably like the biggest white girl you'll ever meet, but that's okay. I wish I did speak Spanish, but I don't.
I see you, smile less when I miss you. No, I don't want to be left alone. Oh no.
Yeah, don't forget to like this video if you guys did like it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell just that way you guys can see when I do upload. I think that's it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!